All right, I should have started this at the beginning, but pretty simple. Changing out torque rod, torque arm, whatever you call them. All air ride suspensions, they have them. They go on top of the axle to the frame. What are you barking at? See the one over the back axle? That one's fine, so I'm not going to change it, at least not now. Anti-seize, put them on your bolts. There's my new one. It's a Meritor. There's your part number. Now this is for a 99. I'm not 100% if the 03s are the same. I just went off the VIN number at Volvo. See, the 03 got the shocks are on the outside. The 99, they're on the inside the frame. I don't think it'd be that big a deal. You would, if you wanted to change it, you need them bottom plates. Oh, I can't get nothing there. That bottom plate, you just change them out to the ones that go straight out, and then you can put your shock right there. If you wanted to. I don't know why you would, but all right. Let's set this up somewhere and try to get some pictures here of the video. And all right, I don't think it matters which way they go. A little cold there. All right. Whenever you take a nut and bolt out and you put it back, put anti-seize. That way, they're not so hard to get out next time. I still need to go get an alignment. So, put that out the way. All right. If you're wanting to know why I took the wheels off, the nuts are on the outside and I could not get them loose from the inside. Another reason you should use anti-seize when you put bolts together on a truck. You wrap it around the threads, and then when you slide it through, it'll get on inside. It's also so it doesn't get itself corroded on the inside. You see all this rust? I just wrap it around the threads And then when you slide it in here, get in there. And a drop of washer, and it's right under the middle. I'm trying not to crawl on the ground. It's the fun part about working outside. And it rained, so everything's muddy. Ah, stinker. Now, the alignment guy, when he goes to put the washers in there and line it up, he won't be cussing because I didn't put anti-seize on it. That's all there is to it. I shouldn't say plastic, it's the tape. These are nice. Light bar covers. Put your lug nuts in there. And this tool right here, 1-inch drive, Milwaukee. This thing is awesome. When I get them snug, make sure the rim is seated on there. Then I go back around and give them a zip. You're supposed to be able to use Bluetooth on this thing and set 450, 500 foot-pounds of torque. What I want to get is a torque wrench for these trucks. It's a little expensive, but I think it's worth it. So you don't have your wheel come off going down the road. It costs you a whole lot more than that tool. And that's it. This wood here, put it under the wheel. That way I get the jack out. Now just back the truck off the wood, and I'm done. Here's what you can do. You take a pry bar, see, it'll move, but it's not loose. See, I can move this by hand. See how bad? Look at this one. So if yours is like that, replace it. It's not hard to do. If you got to pull the wheels and you don't have a way to do that, that's understandable, but just 4 bolts. If you can get a socket and a breaker bar and get them loose, you can do it, but oh well. Anyway, there she is.